Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kim Jae-wook and Bang Min-young's fortune harmony analysis. An overseas YouTube subscriber has requested for the fortune harmony of Kim Jae-wook and Bang Min-young. Just looking at them makes them look cool and pretty. Let's analyze it together. Kim Jae-wook is a big rock in his fortune. He has delicacy, silence, and innocence. Bang Min-young is a candor in her fortune. She is thoughtful and warm-hearted. When you meet a big rock and a candor in your fortune, you become good friends because candors mean heat of light and heat. They melt the big rock and make it a wonderful jewel, which is why big rocks are their favorite letters. Stage 1 is a good meeting, and the letters marked with pink hearts makes you feel more attractive and more likable. Both of them have it. That's cool. Kim Jae-wook has some characters that attract people. Character marked with a blue heart. The recognition of the spouse is just below the letter, pointing to themselves. Kim Jae-wook thinks like a friend. Bang Min-young wants to take care of himself and love him first. It's a good meeting. Kim Jae-wook's fortune is divided into pictures, emitting powerful energy. First of all, the letters that mean himself are powerful, and the letters that mean women and wealth are powerful, and they are united. He will meet a smart woman, and she will be also very supportive of Kim Jae-wook. The letters that mean artistic skills are also powerful. It is a wonderful structure in which his artistic activities are piled up as wealth. And the combination of the shape of Kim Jae-wook has the characteristic that the teeth are very healthy and strong. Bang Min-young said the letters on the top of her fortune are used in social activities, and they are very useful. The letters meaning arts are helping to build up the wealth that is the result of her activities. Input energy supports Bang Min-young to be competitive, because the letters marked with competitiveness also mean fancy lightning. She has always had a beautiful appearance that catches people's eyes, but this competitive edge means that she is competitive, but there's always a competitor around her. Therefore, Bang Min-young may have a rather sensitive personality because of the words that give her a competitive edge to her fortune, even though the word input energy means her mother's comfort. They say that the letters meaning wealth are the result of activity, and the same location means that the direction of life they seek is similar. In other words, they prefer activities that increase their value. And because of their similarities and complements, I'll give you 19% for their fortune combination. Stay healthy and happy in the future. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.